Every country in the world enjoys a good cup of tea, which is probably why they all have their way of drinking it. Over the past 150 years the name Ceylon has become synonymous with the finest tea in the world. Ceylon tea is popular among tea enthusiasts, for its rich flavor and fragrant aroma. Sri Lanka, the world's fourth largest tea producer and third largest exporter, is at the forefront of tea exports to the global market. More than 1 million people, or nearly 5% of the Sri Lankan population, work in the billion-dollar tea industry, picking leaves on mountain slopes and processing tea in plantation factories. Ceylon tea is a type of tea produced in Sri Lanka formerly known as Ceylon. Sri Lanka is a small island, but it has a wide range of elevation, climate, soil type, plant varietals, and weather, so the flavors and character of the teas produced there vary greatly. Ceylon tea is cultivated in Sri Lanka using the leaves of the tea plant known as Camellia sinensis. The country was known as Ceylon under British rule, and the British emphasis on tea production resulted in these types of tea becoming some of the most well-known in the world. There are many different types of tea, including white tea, green tea, and black tea. Tea is exported in a variety of forms to various destinations, including tea packets, tea bags, tea in bulk, instant tea, green tea, flavored tea, and more. The country's total tea cultivation area is approximately 222,000 hectares. There are three main geographical zones for tea cultivation in Sri Lanka. They are low-grown teas, mid-grown teas and high-grown teas. Low-grown teas grown between sea level and 600 meters, mid-grown teas grown between 600 meters and 1,200 meters, high-grown teas grown above 1,200 meters. Tea bushes are planted a meter apart on steep hillsides. The taste, flavor, and aroma of teas from different elevations are influenced by the conditions that are specific to that region. Higher elevations produce a more delicately flavored crop, which is more valuable than the robustly flavored tea produced at lower elevations. Tea buds must be handpicked every 7 to 14 days before the leaves become too tough, and tea leaves are collected in tarpaulin bags, which are lighter than traditional wicker baskets. Sri Lanka strictly regulates the packaging of pure Ceylon teas. Teas produced in Sri Lanka feature a lion logo that guarantees 100% pure Ceylon tea packed in Sri Lanka, and also indicates the high-quality flavor and aroma associated with these teas. To use the lion logo, tea plantations must pass inspections coordinated by the Sri Lankan Tea Board. During the manufacturing process, Ceylon tea is produced in a variety of leaf sizes, which are then sorted into various styles via sifting. These leaves are then graded based on their size, and there are numerous grades of Ceylon tea. The grading process is based solely on the size and appearance of the tea leaf, not on the flavors and aromas. Ceylon tea is divided into two main categories. First category is the whole leaf grade, which has been a consistent grading method over the years. Second category is the broken leaf grade, which is widely used by consumers nowadays. The whole leaf grades and the broken leaf grades are divided into the further categories, and these are some of the most commonly found grades in Ceylon tea. Orange Pekoe is the highest and main grade when it comes to Ceylon tea. These tea leaves feature a whole leaf that is long, wiry, and thin. The tea has delicate flavors and a light, pale color. Pekoe grade consists of short leaves and features a twisted leaf. When brewed, the flavor has a hint of bitterness with a sweet finish and is dark in color. Within this grade, there are subcategories known as Orange Pekoe A and Orange Pekoe 1. Broken Orange Pekoe category of tea is made with broken leaves rather than whole leaves. Broken Orange Pekoe leaves are a well-made, neat medium-sized leaf that is considered the highest grade of the broken tea categories. The leaves are frequently more fibrous and thus more astringent than Orange Pekoe. Within the broken leaf category, there is also broken Orange Pekoe fanning, which are smaller tea leaves that are commonly found in tea bags. Flowery broken Orange Pekoe type of Ceylon tea is made from coarse, broken leaves that include leaf tips. It offers a milder flavor component. Flower grades are popular because they are bright in color and have distinct flavors. Dust tea is made of the tiniest broken tea leaf particles. This tea powder has a fairly smooth appearance without much tea fiber or stalk and is typically used in large commercial tea brewing. Silver tip Ceylon tea is made from the youngest buds of the tea plant and appears silver mixed white color. When brewed, it has a smooth flavor with mild hints of sweetness. Ceylon tea is high in antioxidants, which are compounds that help prevent oxidative cell damage. Certain varieties of Ceylon tea may help decrease risk factors for heart disease, and improve heart health. Drinking Ceylon tea may help boost energy due to its caffeine content. Also, some studies have found that including tea in your daily diet can help you burn fat and lose weight. Ceylon tea is a safe and healthy addition to your diet when consumed in moderation. With a cup of Ceylon tea, you can bring the delights of Sri Lanka into your home.